Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wanted to know how to manage your conversations better on Messenger by ignoring or unignoring messages, you're in the right place. Whether it's to focus on your work, to take a digital detox, or simply give yourself a break from a conversation without blocking the person. Today I'll guide you through the process step by step, so let's dive in. First, let's talk about how to ignore messages. Ignoring a conversation in Messenger doesn't block the person, but moves the messages to message request, so you won't receive notifications about them. Here's how you do it. Open your messengers, scroll through your chat and open the conversation you wish to ignore. Tap on the name and tap on archive. And this is how your messages will be ignored. And it's done. The conversation will now move to the archived and you won't receive any notifications from it unless you choose to unignore it. Now let's say you've changed your mind or the situation has evolved and you want to bring back the conversation to your main chat list. Here's how you can unignore a message. Open Messenger and tap on the search button and tap for the person. And simply tap on message. And this is how it will appear again in your messenger chat list. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If it did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks.